Hi guys, it's CJ here, and I've just got an unboxing video of this package I've received from Apple. Now, I sent off my first generation iPod Nano to Apple, and they was checking it all over and sent it back, and this is what's come back. Now, there's an awesome surprise actually in here, because they've run out of first generation iPod Nanos. They didn't expect this many people to send all theirs in and get them in, so they'd have to send more out. So in here is an awesome surprise, and really wasn't expecting to receive one of these from them at all. So it's pretty cool, and they've done that. So let's just get into the box. I've already cut the tape on it here, so we'll unpackage that, and then on top you're greeted with something that says Apple Care Service in some different languages and English. Don't need that. Thank you for participating in the iPod Nano first generation replacement program. Please note your replacement iPod has a serial number different to that of your original iPod Nano. In some cases, due to limited availability of replacement stock of iPod Nano first generations, Apple may have replaced your iPod with a more recent iPod model or of equivalent or better specification. Okay, so then you get this foamy sort of stuff here. And what's that inside? It is a new iPod Nano, 6th generation, in silver. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I do have one of these as well. It's in green. I've actually unboxed that on the channel. I'll put a link to that down below. But we'll just peel off that off there and give it a first boot. Oh, you've got to love that noise, haven't you guys? My serial number there, you're not seeing that. And there's another little sticker on here as well, which is something in a foreign language, which I'm not going to try and read because I'll probably pronounce it wrong, and knowing me, I'll offend someone, so that's not happening. I'll peel that off there. There we go. It's all peeled off, and we will get into it. First boot. Look at that. There's my original one. So we want to go to English, and then we're all set up, and that was. Oh, and there's juice as well. That was the unboxing of my first generation iPod Nano, but unfortunately I didn't get one of those, so it is of the iPod Nano 6th generation in silver. Please don't forget to hit all those social links down below. Follow me on Twitter, Google+, hit the subscribe button up right about there somewhere, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Thanks.